Today we're making my mom's Spanish beef tips, a recipe passed down from her mom. Tender bites of beef simmered in tomatoes and green chilies until the flavors melt together. The recipe is in the description box, so let's get started. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the stew meat, onion, bay leaves, and salt and pepper and cook for 6 to 8 minutes until the meat is browned and the onion is softened. Stir in the undrained can of diced tomatoes. Bring to a simmer and turn the heat down to medium-low, cover and cook for 1 to 1.5 hours until the meat is tender and the sauce has thickened, stirring every 15 minutes or so. The longer you cook it, the more tender the meat will be. Add a splash of water if you need to. Stir in the can of diced green chilies, cover, and heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the bay leaves and add salt and pepper as needed. Serve in a flour tortilla as a taco or over a bed of rice. I hope my mom's Spanish beef tips recipe brings as much comfort to your table as it does to mine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.